How to repost an Instagram post. Instagram allows you to repost feed posts just like stories. And here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply find a post you want to repost. Scroll down or tap on the search address bar and search for the any account or video or photo you want to repost. Then once you find the post you want to repost, tap on the three dot icon available at the top right corner of the post. And once you do so, you will get to see a drop down menu appear on your screen. From there, simply tap on the remix option available at the top, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.